Hey, what's up? I'm Sam from AI for Marketers, and this is a beginner-friendly step-by-step tutorial on how to use Luma AI. We're gonna cover every single feature and how to use this tool for video generation. I'm sure this tutorial will be super useful to you, and remember that if you need help with a specific thing of Luma, in the timeline and the description there's the timestamps. Using that, you'll go to the part of the video we talk about the specific feature you're looking for. So yeah, let's dive into Luma AI. Okay, so first things first, we can see here like a super cool landing page. That was a beautiful animation. We see here like all the different videos Luma has generated. High quality videos from text and images. Yeah, I think Luma AI is the highest quality video generator out there right now. You can actually see it here, like look at that definition, or this like the depth of field of that video. It's like a robot, like yeah. And these are things that people have generated. Iterate at the speed of a thought, create action-packed shots, dream worlds with consistent characters, capture attention with breathtaking camera moves. Current limitations, yeah, they're super open about the limitations they have now. So morphing, like, you know, making something transform into something else. The text a bit difficult, like every AI has that problem right now. And the movement thing, like, you know, it's a bit difficult to animate the background and the subject at the same time. Very interesting. Let's do the tutorial. Okay, so now we're in the interface. We are in the in Dream Machine 1.5. We can see all the pro plans. You actually now need to buy a subscription to use the software because the free plan is simply not there yet. I bought the light plan, which gives you 30 generations per month, high priority generations, and no commercial use. But also you have the standard 120 generations, then plus 280, then 450 with the Pro, and then the Premier, which gives you 2400 generations per month. Basically, you can use all of them for commercial use, and you can remove the watermark from Luma AI. So those are the plans. If you want to play with it, I would just buy the light one. But if you want to use it professionally, I would go for, you know, a plus or a pro. So let's go to create, and here we can play. I told you guys I'm training for a marathon in December. I want to run that marathon in December, so I'm using every single software out there to visualize myself running and winning that marathon. So I actually used this software to generate this first image. That was my prompt. 25-year-old mate running in Toronto, dark blue t-shirt in a sunny day. And it actually generated Toronto. Like you can see there the tower, the Toronto tower. And this guy is in a blue shirt, right? I wasn't super effective with the prompt, so you need to be super specific with the prompts, like on every AI. And I also uploaded this one, like this image that is a mid-journey image, and I just told him, I told the model, running motion towards the camera, sun is shining. And yeah, it created the running motion from the image, but it wasn't like super, you know, like it wasn't like the highest quality thing. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we want to create a super cool, realistic motion portrait of myself. Because yeah, I'm gonna try that. So let's first go to Midjourney, and we are gonna upload. By the way, if you don't know how to use Midjourney for creating images, I'm gonna leave here in the cards of YouTube a tutorial, a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to use Midjourney. So what I want to grab is one of my images of the thumbnails, right? One of these, and I want to create a photorealistic avatar based on that image. Now you probably are saying isn't that already photorealistic because it's an image of yourself? And I would tell you, yeah, but like, yeah, I just want another one, right? Let's grab this one, save that image, and let's upload it to Luma Dream Machine. Okay, let's upload that image, and let's tell it to add head movement, smooth head movement to the right, angry facial expressions. Let's see how it does this, because this is the, like, what Luma AI is focusing on is like ultra photorealistic cinematography, you know, like the best shot possible. I think this type of prompt would be great for this type of AI. We can leave the enhanced prompt option on if we want the Dream Machine to create a prompt for us. I'm gonna leave it on actually. And we're gonna, yeah. Okay, so it generated a lot. Wow, dude, that was, yeah, that's a lot of movement. So it followed the prompt at first, but then it started like, you know, creating a lot of changes. So let's go back and try a new prompt. Okay, so that one's cool, but what I want to do now is to give it some more direction. So we're gonna leave this as the first frame, and then we're gonna use an end frame, which is also created on this image, like based on this image on Midjourney. Let's use that and let's create. Okay, so there you go. It's now creating it. Okay. That's actually pretty cool. Like those are 5 seconds, and like it looks like a smooth transition. It looks like the guy's getting closer to the camera. Yeah, it's like a close-up, and you can see the hand movement and then the getting angry part. So that's super cool. You can actually see like the transition between the two images. It wasn't like super smooth, but actually like it's super smooth. You know, you just have like now a level of quality that you expect from this type of AI, but it's actually super, like, this is great, right? Okay, so now let's try one from text to video. A high resolution purple human eye. That prompt is not great. Like you could probably do a much better prompt, but I just want to see what it does. And let's create that. So you can see here that for high quality resolution videos, that's great. Like you give it like, you know, the two different high quality images, and it just transforms one to the other one, right? Morphing characters to the other ones. Wow, that one's great. So you basically add this one as the first one. Wow, that's amazing. The Goku one. Wow, dude. Okay, so that one's perfect. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try to recreate that one, and this is triggering our purple human eye, inside of which you can see the entire universe for realistic and smooth. I'm curious about what's gonna, you know, do with that prompt. Okay, so there we have our first. Wow, dude. Wow, that's beautiful. A high resolution close-up of a purple human eye, inside of which you can see the entire universe, photorealistic and smooth. Dude, that's a high quality, like that's a great shot. And you can see like the universe inside the eye, and also like the glare of the eye. The quality of Luma is by far the highest quality AI video generation tool out there. Okay, so now we have two different images from Vegeta. I wanted to transform itself to Vegeta in like Saiyan mode. So let's add smooth transformation into Super Saiyan mode. So the first frame is Vegeta with, you know, brown hair, and the second frame is Vegeta in a different suit with blonde hair. So we just want to see the transformation, how the AI does the transformation. By the way, doing this before AI will take like the work from 5 different animators. So this is like incredible, like super useful. We've done all of this in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so now we have ready our, wow, dude. Okay, what the fuck? Okay, that's amazing, dude. Wow, okay, that's so cool, dude. That's so cool. You made like a zoom out and then a zoom in, right? And it actually had to change style, because the first one was like super ultra realistic, and the second one is like more realistic, but at least a little bit like anime style. That's amazing. I'm actually gonna try to extend that one, then go back to original, but with blonde hair. Let's try that. I think what Luma AI specializes the most in, like, even though it's great for transformation and for basically creating a movie between 2 frames, it also is really good with ultra realistic aspects of certain images. So it can change colors quite a bit, and it looks super natural. For example, the eye thing looks amazing, right? Like you can see the entire universe, and that's not a natural eye color. So even though this model is trained on natural videos, it can actually imagine new things, because, you know, it just generated a purple eye. By the way, if you could have purple eyes, that would be so cool, dude. I would 100% have purple eyes. Hey, I need to go, dude. Can you, Luma AI, please? It's taking a while, dude. say taking like 5 minutes to generate something. No, actually, I have to be super mega honest with you guys. Luma AI, if I compare it with the last one I recorded, which was Clean AI, and this is at the time, this is in September 2024. So, you know, things can change. But like, this video generating software is much better than, for example, Clean. And I think it's actually less expensive than the other one. So that's super interesting. Okay, so it now generated a new video. Let's see how it did it. Then go back to original with blonde hair. Okay. Okay, that didn't work out, dude. Okay. Yeah, so now Vegeta has a new, I don't know, dude, new person in his, yeah, his head now. Okay, but like, you know, it worked. I'm happy with the results from the first two videos. I'm really happy with them, actually. Like, you can see the beautiful purple eye. You can see here the transformation of this guy to, you know, happy to angry right there. And you can see Vegeta transforming to Super Saiyan mode. This is my favorite one by far, dude. Look at that, right? That's so cool, dude. So yes, that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys liked it. If it was useful to you, please leave a comment and a like and subscribe. And also we have a playlist right here for every single tutorial we have on use cases on Luma AI, Runway, and other video generating tools. So yes, I hope this was useful. See ya.